ألف.
Draw a straight line from top to bottom, then add the hamza on top.
باء.
Draw a flat boat shape from right to left, then place one dot underneath.
تاء.
Draw a boat shape and place two dots side by side inside it.
ثاء.
Draw a boat shape and place three dots in a triangle shape on top.
جيم.
Draw a horizontal line, then a large belly curve down with one dot inside.
حاء.
Same as Jim but without any dots. Keep it clean.
خاء.
Same as Jim but place the dot on top of the head.
دال.
Draw a small curve like a half circle facing left.
ذال.
Same as Dal but add one dot on top.
راء.
Draw a curved line like a banana sliding down from the line.
زاي.
Same as Ra but add one dot on top.
سين.
Draw two small U shapes followed by a large deep curve.
شين.
Same as Sin but add three dots in a triangle on top.
صاد.
Draw an oval loop starting from the line, then add a deep curve.
ضاد.
Same as Sad but add one dot on top.
طاء.
Draw an oval loop and add a vertical stick on top.
غاء.
Same as TAA, but add one dot on top.
عين.
Draw a small half circle on top and a larger one underneath.
غين.
Same as Ain but add one dot on top.
فاء.
Draw a small circle, then a flat boat with one dot on top.
قاف.
Draw a small circle with a deep round curve and two dots on top.
كاف.
Draw a tall chair shape and place a small hamza inside.
لام.
Draw a long hook like an upside-down umbrella handle.
ميم.
Draw a small circle on the line and extend a tail downwards.
نون.
Draw a deep bowl and place one dot in the center.
هاء.
Draw a large circle with a small loop inside it.
واو.
Draw a small circle and a sliding tail like the letter Ra.
ياء. ياء.
Draw a S shape like a duck and place 2 dots underneath.